I don't know what it is about this green, but it instantly made me happy. Welcome back to the Art of Yayomi. Today I'll be working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas, starting with a bright metallic green base. From there, I'm going to layer green, dark aqua green, pearl green, gold, and a touch of black to create these expressive, deconstructed bloom style shapes. Before I even placed the paint down, I chose these colors very intentionally. I wanted something that felt alive and grounded at the same time. Green was the foundation because it represents growth, balance, and renewal. It has a calming strength that sets the tone for the entire piece. I chose a metallic green for the base because it offers excellent coverage. Metallic paints are more opaque due to the microparticles suspended in them, which helps the color spread evenly and hold its own strength as the other layers move on top. That opacity is important in a pour like this because it prevents the base from breaking apart or showing through unevenly as the paint shifts. Using metallic green allowed the entire canvas to feel solid and unified from the start, giving the other colors a strong foundation to react against as the design opened up. I started this pour by stacking 4 different puddles right on top of each other, building the design from the center outward. The black acrylic paint contained the cell activator, which allowed it to react naturally as the paint began to move. What I really love about this combination is how the black interacted with the green base. The green is opaque and strong, which gives the black something solid to push against. Instead of overpowering the design, the black creates contrast and definition, opening up beautiful cells that complement the green and make the entire painting feel layered and alive. I built the design slowly, letting colors interact and open up. The blow dryer helped me guide the paint outward and softening edges and allowing the shapes to form naturally without forcing them. This color palette felt so alive to me. Green has a way of feeling fresh, grounding, and energizing all at once. And seeing all these shades of green come together was honestly such a joy. When you work with multiple shades of the same color family, like these greens, you get contrast without chaos. The dark aqua adds richness, the pearl green brings softness, the gold highlights the movement, and the black creates contrast so everything doesn't blend together. As the paint moved, the brightness of the green really surprised me. It felt vibrant, glowing, and full of energy, like the painting was waking up right in front of me. This is one of those pours where the colors does most of the talking. Sometimes you don't need complexity. You just need the right colors in the right moment. I have to say, I absolutely love working on this one. The moment the paint started moving, I felt better instantly. There's something about watching these colors open up and come together that's so uplifting. It shifted my mood right away and reminded me why I love pouring so much. Here is the final result. Bold, bright, and beautifully green. A painting that feels joyful, alive, and full of movement. If you enjoyed watching this pour come together, be sure to like and subscribe. And remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.